What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i. How is my experience after using this laptop for more than 1 year? So I have been using this since around 1 year and this is very comfortable to hold and carry it anywhere you want. So this laptop, as you guys can see, it is a bit heavy but it's very slim. Like this is one of the sleekest Windows laptops I ever owned. It's very easy to carry it anywhere you want. Just hold it like this and carry it anywhere without a problem. And now there are some accessories I also bought with this laptop which you should definitely consider if you are thinking of buying this laptop, because I have faced a few things which you need to know. First of all, this laptop is so slim, you definitely need a case to carry it. Maybe you might drop it sometimes. I never dropped this laptop during the 1 year course I used this, but yeah, there are some things where you might scratch the laptop, so you should definitely get a case like I got of VSV. It's a good brand. They're making good portable laptop cases. It has actually padding in this, front and the back, which protects the laptop from shocks. It absorbs the shocks and does like resist the scratches. So that is one thing you need to know. And then one more thing I wanted to discuss about this laptop is its heating issues. Like although this laptop has 8 GB of RAM, i5 11 generation, 1000 GB of HDD plus 256 GB of SSD, but it does heat up a lot. And for that I have actually ordered this. Actually this is of a gaming company, Amicati. We called it Amcat. It is very nice. They make a lot of gaming controllers as well. So this is actually the accessory which will prevent your laptop from heating. This is called a laptop stand. It's a metallic stand. It's actually of very hard plastic actually, and it looks like metallic. It's very hard plastic. It feels very strong and it's just gonna hold your laptop. And we have these holes here to prevent heat from just scattering in one place. It will help heat to dissipate and flow away. So this is also a very important thing you need to buy when you have the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i. Now let's just come towards the laptop itself. The display is super awesome. Many people were saying that it has hinge issues. I have zero hinge issues with this, and that is really awesome. Let me show you. Like as you guys can see, this is the laptop, and if I just open it normally, there you go, it's open. I have zero hinge issues. The display looks super awesome. Like it's very dull right now. Let me just increase the brightness and show you guys what I'm talking about. If I increase this, look at that. That's actually beautiful, isn't it? So the display is a very nice 15.6 inch display, full HD IPS LCD display. It's not Super AMOLED. That's one thing you need to know. But still again, the display is super awesome. It has this webcam here, and you also have this holder so you can just slide down, and it's just going to block the camera. So that is one thing really nice for privacy. And overall the keyboard feels very nice and soft to touch. It's very smooth, so that's one thing. And it's also not that bad, and the hinge issue is absolutely non-existent in my case. Like you can easily close this, you can easily open this. We have zero problems with the hinge. So I don't know why a lot of you guys were saying it has a lot of hinge problems. I don't have any hinge problems. It's a good laptop. The performance part is also really good. 1250 GB of storage is a lot for day-to-day use. And even if you want to play games, it has that Intel Iris X graphic card, which is good enough for a lot of games. And you can basically play all the games in 720p medium to low settings, no problems at all. So that's my opinion. This laptop is still a very good laptop, but these are the accessories you should definitely buy if you're thinking of buying the laptop. That's it. Hope you like it. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.